the following video is all about nature, the rising consciousness in nature, knowing yourself through nature. If you're not going to meditate, hydrate, sun gaze, and fast and do the inner work and it's too much, at least come out in nature. So enjoy this segment. Much love to you all. Deuces. Enjoy.
Dite manieta jao ya mbogo oe wainaga ukone gwito wenda gwitema nia witema nie oe wainaga kike.
Nature. A season of nature. Paradigms opening, shifting in consciousness awareness within me. Mother aware of consciousness. I'm aware of consciousness. I'm aware of myself, my physical form. I have been alarmed of nature. I need to come out more in nature. I see what is nature. Being to the beach, celebrate outside, being outside, manifest in nature, come out to nature, be in nature, stop, acknowledge nature, say hi, don't get lost in the paradigm, the illusion that they're bringing you. It says, do not forget your trees. Tell them this. Do not forget your trees. The most. Do not forget your trees. It's a powerful network. Mother Nature. I am Mother Nature. Oh, Melissa. Melissa. This is Melissa. Do not forget your trees, they say. You come with strength. You come to visit. You come to say hi. Almost thought you were a lost soul. To keep me saying, no. Nature. Come out in nature. Do not forget your trees. 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 Hi, what's going on, everybody? I'm out here, called to come out. Me. Called to come out in nature. Ja strojni shkrajno krejnaiti, yangawe straiti. Krojnaiti. Back to nature. Don't forget your trees. Connect back to nature. La ciel de la ciel. The heavens above watch too. The heavens protect trees. There's planets. There's planets full of trees. Yes. That is my very channeling. There's esoteric, crystalline, celestial, divine trees. Yes. Humanity, do not neglect just coming and taking a moment to look at the trees as they are. They to look disheveled and this and that, but that is your connection. Because even this tree right here gives you messages. This tree. This tree, as it is, has powers. This tree, as it is. Do not be afraid to come out in nature. Awaken humanity. The planet is arising. The planet is rising. You could rise in consciousness this way as well. You could rise in consciousness this way as well by coming out in nature, spending hours, eating, sleeping, breathing, intimacy, you name it, out in nature. Come out to the waters. Come, feel yourselves, acknowledge your body, your mind, your soul, your essence, your consciousness, your awareness through nature. Glory be to Mother Nature, divinely, always. And so it is. Yangawe Straite.